They call me the leftover queen. What I'm doing right now is the leftover from last night that my husband made. Zucchini with some spices. I don't know what it tastes like, but I'll just make a new dish out of what I found in the fridge. So he also makes some meatloaf. For me, eating meatloaf is too much meat. I cannot stand eating a big piece of meat like that. So today, I'm using the leftover meatloaf and the leftover zucchini to make a Chinese dish. So this is like the East meet West. Now I'm just cutting up the zucchini into quarters to add to the meatloaf. And what I'm cooking in the pan is the leftover ground pork. And what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to brown it a little bit, warm it up, as it was in the fridge, and then I dice up some carrots, and it's good vegetable for vitamin C. So I'm mixing this together to kind of giving it a little flavor. Oh, I forgot I need to cut up some chili pepper to give it the spice. Oh, I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit because I'm going to add some tofu in there. This is tofu I bought and freeze it in the fridge. So the texture is different than the fresh tofu, but got a nice texture. So the tofu are normally very bland, so they need some flavor. So that's why to mix it up with the ground pork is good. The pork will give the tofu some flavor. And I'll let that cook while I'm going to cut up the chili pepper. I forgot I add some green color, add some green onion, and now I think of turmeric is good for you, so I'll just put some turmeric into it and add some flavor to my tofu. And I think this is it. And I turn off the heat. You don't really need, because the pan is still hot. So this is done, and I'm going to scoop it up, and you can see what it looks like. This is the lunch with tofu, ground pork and chicken, carrots and zucchini, and a little cucumber on the side. Bon appetit!